Only got a few minutes left, man. I just pulled over to help these people out. Let me check this out real quick. I was trying to get it on my phone. The girl was driving like this. I turned around, I'm like, hey, y'all need a hand? And yeah, a crazy situation happened. And this just goes to illustrate what I'm talking about living my dreams. Like, man, try to reach your full potential. I still got a long way to go. There's a lot of things that I aspire for, man, and I encourage anybody and everybody to go for the goal, because it's like what drives you. It's absolutely my pleasure to be able to help the community and to come back where I'm from and show, like, you know what I'm saying, show love. Do something that's productive instead of causing trouble every damn day like at one point I was. I came a long way. I got a long way to go. And you guys can go that long way too. I'm living a part of my dream. I got big dreams. Reach for yours.